Hello everyone, I'm going to take you with me as I install the secure browser on my own laptop. After you make your way to the secure browser download page, you will want to select your operating system. I'm doing this on my school laptop, which is run by Windows. So you're going to select the 64-bit download. You will click on that, and then it might take a while to download that file. As you can see, up here in the corner, you can see a teeny little blue arrow that indicates my download is happening. And once it's finished, you will see it pop up in a little window. I can click on that and make it come back up if it goes away. So if you missed it, click on this little arrow and then you can see your recent download history. Then we can click right here on our secure browser wizard launcher thing. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take you to the setup wizard. This is going to help you install. I'm going to click next. We're going to read all these terms of service. Yes, we are, every last bit. And then you're going to click, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click next. You want to just leave it alone, let it install where it wants to. So you're not going to change anything. You're just going to go to next. And now we click install. It's going to give you a little status bar. It's going to tell you what's happening.